Hi everyone, I'm Mary, and today I want to talk about my Christmas countdown. This is for kids and grandchildren and, well, kids of all ages. Here's what we're going to do. I want you to get children's books on a Christmas theme. They can be winter theme, holiday theme. You can have some for the Christ child. You can have some for, Hanukkah, things that relate to this time of year that match your family's values. Very important. Now, I suppose you could run to a retail bookstore and find children's books. But don't do that. I'm telling you ahead of time, before everyone thinks of this. Get thee to the library. You can borrow children's books now and not have them due back before Christmas. I think there's still time, and you can also renew them. Possibly you could go online and do an interlibrary loan. But here's what you do. Get the books, get some wrapping paper, wrap them up. Yes, like a present. Get a big basket, a box, something. Number them. Now here's the deal. Each night, read that day's story with your kids. It's such a fun experience. They get to open a gift. It's an inexpensive way for the family to count down to Christmas. Start tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.